Good morning, happy Saturday, and welcome back to the vlog, and happy birthday if today is your birthday. We got a little weekend combo vlog coming up here today because I'm not vlogging the whole day today and I'm not vlogging the whole day tomorrow, so I figured I'd push them together into one vlog. Not a ton planned for today, but I am going to be attempting to make breakfast, and I never make breakfast, so I thought it might be entertaining for us to do together. And then tomorrow is my last day before Connor gets home, which I'm so excited for. I can't even tell you guys, and he lands at like 10 a.m. on Monday, so early. I get to just see him right away. I'm so excited. But anyway, I want to clean our place a little bit. Nothing too crazy, but like do the floors, make sure stuff is put away. That way he gets to come home to a nice clean house, because I've been basically living like I live alone for the last 2 weeks, because I have been. And I want to make sure that it looks nice when he gets back. It's not just my shit everywhere. Hello? That obnoxious noise is the Amazon delivery truck backing out of my driveway right now, which means my Amazon box got here, which means it's just in time for breakfast, because I was all out of my chai tea and it was arriving today. Should I check the app if it's marked as delivered now? It was telling me that it was one stop away. It's here. I'm so excited. Yay. I am excited. Not gonna lie, I was very concerned that package would not arrive until later in the day, and then I wouldn't have a nice drink to have with my breakfast that I'm making. So here's what we're making today. If you missed it in the last vlog, I just got this mini waffle maker delivered from Stella Artois, which is so kind of them. I'm so excited to try this. So we're gonna be trying to make waffles. Never made waffles before in my life. I'm not a breakfast gal, so I'm just not well versed on breakfast. And then I'm also gonna make breakfast potatoes, which I have made one other time in my life, and they turned out delicious. I don't really remember what I did, but it's gonna be fine. And that's gonna be our breakfast this morning. But first, I just want to empty out the dishwasher and sort of like make sure the kitchen is good to go before we mess it all up again. Okay, we're back. We are ready to start what is sure to be a very interesting time here. I don't know if I'm gonna use all three of these potatoes. They're small though, but still, I don't know if I need that many potatoes. All of our waffle stuff out. I think I'm gonna start with the waffles because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. But I just want to cut up the potatoes so that they're ready to go and there's not like too long of a wait time between them. Or at least like make the waffle batter, cut up the potatoes, and then maybe try to do it at the same time. I don't know, that sounds hectic for like something that I don't know how to do, but wow, I shouldn't have cut up all three of these. Why did I cut up that third potato? I just went into autopilot and now we have so many potatoes here. This is like definitely 2 portions of potatoes. Can you save potatoes? Like what if I just put half of this in Tupperware? Let's try it, why not? Hopefully these stay okay. If not, it is what it is. So I think I want to like half this recipe because they're mini waffles. Maybe I should quarter the recipe. They're mini waffles and I don't want that many of them. This says that it will make 3 to 4 waffles, but I'm guessing it's like normal size waffles. If I have it, that would be like 3 to 4 mini waffles, which is too many. But maybe it'll be good to have extra batter because I'll probably mess it up. Okay, so we're just gonna half the recipe. So we need half a cup of waffle mix. Half a cup of the mix going in. We also need to melt 2 tablespoons of butter, so I'm gonna get that in a bowl. Oh right, we're halving it, so only 1 tablespoon of butter. Oh my God, I need to remember this. 15 seconds maybe? I don't know. I don't know what I'm doing. What's half of 2/3 cup? 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. I'm just gonna put in a little bit less than half, and that's gonna be fine. Do like, yeah. Good enough for me, because I don't know what the hell I'm doing. 1 egg and 1 tablespoon of honey. Okay, melted butter is going in. And now honey. It says 1 tablespoon, so half a tablespoon. And honestly, I'm just gonna eyeball this because That sounds like a lot of work, and I don't mind if there's too much honey in there. Okay, so it also says to refer to your waffles instructions, so I feel like I should check that out. Carefully lift the cover of the handle, spray some cooking surface with a small amount of oil. This could be a problem. I don't know if I have oil to spray it with. We're just gonna have to improvise because we have come too far to give up now. I feel like I need to try to do one waffle before I start the potatoes because this is just a stressful moment in my life here. Got everything in there. I know you guys can't see literally anything, but wha-bam. There you go. All the ingredients. Now we're gonna mix. I don't know what I'm doing here. Okay, this looks pretty good, I think. It's like a real batter in there. Tastes pretty good. I sort of want to put a little bit more honey in there. I don't care if it's right or wrong, but I want it. Now, to resolve this oil situation is going to be interesting, but here's what I'm thinking, is that I oil up a paper towel and I dab the surface with a paper towel. Oh Lord, I don't know what I'm doing here. I can't believe I don't have just like canola spray. How do I not have that? We're gonna try the paper towel thing first. Okay. Can't tell if anything is even transferring. Doesn't really appear so. Should we Google maybe? It says butter. Like I feel like I could like butter it up in there. Ooh, that's an interesting idea. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, I think we're on to something. I think we have to hurry and just put the batter on there and see what happens. I'm just going to ladle some right onto there. Okay, maybe just like a touch more. I don't know. Now close this. It's making a lot of noises. Steaming a lot. Oh, it's lifting. It's lifting. It's lifting. It's looking a little brown. Should I check? I'm nervous. Oh, it's looking pretty good. I think like one more second it's gonna be done. Let me get a plate ready. Gently remove. Oh my God, I can't believe I did it. Guys! Now the question is it cooked all the way through? Should we check maybe? I just wanna crack it open and get an idea. Oh yeah, no, it's perfect. It's literally perfect. I made the perfect waffle. Okay, the breakfast potatoes, pretty easy to understand. You know, turn on your pan, add some oil in there. Breakfast potatoes, just get dumped in. So I just put in paprika, chili powder, onion powder, everything but the elote seasoning. And then I'm gonna hit it with some minced garlic, but a little later in the cooking process because I don't want it to, maybe I'll hit it with some garlic powder now just to be safe. Garlic powder, but I still will put some fresh garlic in there. I just don't want it to burn. And I think the key is just to go slow and low. I'm super excited about this idea. Chili onion crunch is going in. So I think I'm going to turn the heat down just a little bit more, and I'm going to go back to my waffles now. Batter is going in. Okay. It's so fun to watch it start to pop up while it cooks. Oh, there it goes. I don't know if you guys can even tell, but the lid is lifting. And you can start to see the waffle in there. One last waffle. Ooh, this is like our best one yet. Not gonna lie, it looks beautiful. Success, y'all. I'm just gonna plate up now. I am so excited to try this meal, I can't even tell you guys. Also made my chai. Wow, this is the perfect breakfast. I mean, look at this. I am honestly shocked at myself and so excited to try this. Let's start with the waffles, because this is what I'm most curious about. I love it. It's so good. Oh my God, it's so good. Oh, I'm such a fan. Okay, let's try the potatoes. Definitely need to be crispier. I did not let them cook long enough, I guess. Seasoning, flavor, 10 out of 10. That's okay, you can't win them all. And now I know for next time. This was so fun. What a fun way to start my day. Breakfast. Okay, so many hours later and I'm actually heading out, and this is where I'm going to leave you guys, but I thought I would show you my little outfit here because I think it's pretty cute. I'm gonna link some stuff down below. I don't know what if this is still available, but I will try to find it and link it. I'm also gonna wear these cute little shoes. Just painted my toenails, but I think I could probably slide them in carefully. Yeah, baby. My card ran out of space, but anyway, got these cute little shoes on, which I might regret later, but F it. And I am heading out now. I don't know if you guys can hear, but the boys next door are partying again today. But I may get one little clip just because I am going to meet up with Tara and Matt right now, but I am gonna get it on my phone if I do, just because I'm not lugging my camera around all day to get like 1 or 2 clips with them. So hope you don't mind, and enjoy that if it's next, and if not, I'll see you tomorrow. Okay, as promised, an iPhone vlog with Tara and Matt. We love it, and we're taking a shot.
Okay.
Are you ready for this?
I'm ready. Born ready.
Okay.
I don't even know if I like this pickle juice, but
No, it's gonna be great.
it smells intense.
No, it's gonna be amazing. Cheers, friends. No, not into it. I will say, this is not my favorite pickle juice. It's like very sweet. I was gonna say it's sweet, yeah.
Oh my.
I'm sorry. You can tell it's fake because of how yellow it is. Well, there is
When
like
it's
little
neon,
seeds in there.
I need a chase from the chase.
Yeah, you're right.
A chase from the chase.
That's it.
You guys, I am ashamed to show you my face today. I'm pretty upset. Very sunburnt. Oh no. Oh, mistakes were made. Allow me to explain myself. First of all, hi, it's Monday, not Sunday. Like I said I would be vlogging. Didn't end up vlogging yesterday because the whole day sort of just went up in flames, to be honest. Part of what I was doing yesterday, although I wasn't going to vlog this, was going out on a boat with my friend Becker and his family. They like chartered a boat for a couple of hours, and I put sunscreen on my face, but then we got there and the boat got delayed hours, and so it was quite a bit longer until we were even out on the boat, and then on the boat for like 4 hours, and I did not reapply sunscreen. Also, I was wearing a sweatshirt and jeans, but I guess my jeans, the way that I was sitting, like rode up a little bit, so I also have a very strange sunburn on my legs. I mean, I did not put sunscreen on my arms or legs, but I was wearing jeans and a sweatshirt, so I didn't think that I would need to. Oh, mistakes were made, and now I look like this on the day that Connor's coming home. I just love that for me so much. But yes, Connor gets home this afternoon. I am so excited. I can't even begin to tell you guys. I missed him so much. I'm so glad that we are done with that time because I'm over it. Over it. I do not want to live alone anymore. As nice as it was to just chill and eat what I want and watch what I want and, you know, do whatever I want, much more fun doing it with Connor. So his plane actually ended up getting delayed like 2 hours. Sorry, my card ran out of space. But anyway, his plane got delayed like 2 hours, so he gets in at 12:30 now. So I'm gonna work for a little bit and then finish just doing a bit of tidying up. I did a good amount yesterday though, like cleaned the toilets and everything, did our sheets. So we're in pretty good shape here, but just a little last minute thing here or there. But I did want to tell you guys something very exciting. Let me just take a sip from my mug first. Oh yeah, that's good. My first sip of the morning. Guys, ask and you shall receive. I've been getting so many comments asking me to bring back the Molly mug merch, and I did. I brought it back. It's available again. I'm selling these actually through my website, my blog, which I don't use anymore, but I still have it active, obviously, and so you can go on there and purchase your very own Molly mug. This is just like, if you don't know, it's a little drawing. It's a drawing of Molly Cat. Very adorable, and I used to have these available a couple years ago, and then I don't know, I just moved on from them, but been getting a lot of comments and questions asking if I would bring it back lately, so we're gonna bring it back. This is not like a limited edition thing like my other merches. You can just you know, go on the website and buy it anytime you want. So I'm going to have it linked down below for you guys. Feel free to go snag one if you want, and then we can have like matching Molly mugs in the mornings. Oh, it's so good. I'm loving it. Anyway, that was the exciting news, and I need to go and finish up my Disney vlog now. I have like a rough edit of it done, but I gotta get music and stuff like that in there, so I need to go do that. It's a couple hours later. I've actually had a very productive morning, which is nice, and Connor just called me and told me that he's here. He's just waiting for his bags, and then he is going to be right back here. I am so excited, you guys. I can't wait to see him. So I'm just throwing some really light makeup on just because my face looks crazy. And Connor and I might just run down and grab some lunch quickly once he gets back here. So I just want to do like literally just something like very chill. I'm just going to use a little bit of CC cream just to try to like even out some of this. I'm hoping that's the goal at least. I never wear makeup all over my face. It feels very strange, honestly. Hopefully this will help a little bit. Honestly, even putting this on sort of hurts. Ow. Okay, I feel like that looks slightly better at least. I mean, you can still tell that I'm a little sunburnt, but, oh, sorry. I hope it's at least a little bit better. We'll do, grab this little black speck. All right, that's fine. That's just a little bit better at least, which is really all the goal is. And I'm gonna get some moisturizer on my lips because I feel like they got a little burnt as well. Ugh, such a pain. I'm in pain. I've made a grave mistake. Okay, great. And now we just have to wait for Connor to get back. Yay! Wow. Hello, sushi. I am so excited. Yay! Oh, look at this sunburn. It's so bad.
Look at you.
It hurts. I'm not gonna lie. It is quite painful.
You just need that Canadian sun.
Exactly, I know.
Where you don't burn.
Very upsetting. But anyway, I know I haven't really touched base with you guys since like 10 a.m. today, but I vlogged a lot on Saturday, I hope, so I think it'll still be okay. And I just wanted to welcome Connor back. My
Hello,
sweet
everyone.
baby. We have a big sushi feast here that we're gonna dive into. We're gonna watch some TV, and it's gonna be just a chill rest of the night.
Woo woo!
Yes. Had to get one. Thank you guys for watching today, though. I hope you enjoyed the sort of randomness, and I'll see you next time.